Good morning. The moment I got the call from CP, Omex Group, I accepted without any unconditionally because we are sitting on the gold mine and we don't know what is our Indian, the breed of Ongol, what Mr. Hussain said. Last 700 years, been migrated from India, that is the Ongol, before it is called Nellore. 80% of the Ongol, they are in the Brazil, and we have only 20%. Imagine where we are leading. And we are bringing something Jersey, which is, I don't call they are the cows. Like Punganur. The best, he said that there are 20 cows in India, I have 5. I have 5 cows, Punganur, which Ongol more than 70, Giri, and this type of, we want to see that these maintain as original breed and should not be crossbreed now. At least we should take care of in India. This is the strength of India where, right from our ancient, if you see, any Chakravarti or kingdom is their strength, their power, their wealth is counted by cows. Even today in the Karnataka, in the front of the house, the Gosala, they keep in such a way before entering into house or before going into anywhere, with looking at the cows, only they think that that is the sanctity and also the oven. That is something, good thing can happen. Only where the Gosala is there is the meditation. Even today, the meditation is the best meditation you get at Gosala. If you see our Lord Krishna, the photograph, Chitra, if you look at the cow and the tree. From the original Indian, that is Satyameva Jayate, it started from there, Dharmo Rakshite Rakshitaha, from there it came Ruksho Rakshite Rakshitaha, Gosam Rakshana. If you see the Lord Krishna, that he wants that maintain these two, which is the Kalparuksha and Kamadhenu, means that Vanamulikas and also the cows. These two, if you take care, everything will be taken care by him, he said. But we said that these two, we are not. Today, people say the tree plantation are the cows. These two, when you go Chakravarti to Rishis, Munis, he used to give them offer to the Rishis only the cows and Vanamulikas. That means these roots. Today, we have forgotten our Indian sanctity and our sampradaya. The Pandavas, Nakula, Sahadeva, these two, they made Pasu Ayurvedam. Pasu Ayurvedam. Who has reading such Ayurveda, which is given such a wonderful, there are certain things which just I can tell you, what our Ramaraj Garu and Hussain Garu, they said the milk quality and also the quantity. They given in that Tanya Jana Kas, that is where the quantity you increase by using Oshadas, the names given Vatti Velu, and also Vari Velu, what the paddy we give and tops, that what we give. Then Cheraku Velu, Darba Velu. Darba also, there are 2 types of Darbas. That is called Kusya Darba and Kasa Darba. And also Rellu Velu. Rellu Gaddi ani manam paina estam. Rellu Velu. Like this, Kamanchi Velu. These are all Velu. Today we are calling, they are the roots, they are the Vanamulikas, they are the things which, it protects the quality of the milk and quantity of the milk. Again, specifically they said how to get the name is Tanya Sodakas. They again 10 they are given. Pardon? This is a conference where we have lost our own strength of our Indian knowledge. Without that, if you go for the conference tomorrow when we are going, We should see that our original Indian system, what we have, that is the type we should bring the awareness in the people. I hope you understand that we are on Western style. That Disha Dasha is changed. We should change the Dasha to our Indian style. So if you want this type of thing only, I came here. As you know, I am not for talking about things which are already spoiled. We don't want to spoil.